So I was telling you about this blow dryer, so I'm going to tell them. How you doing? I'm Giuseppe Franco. I've had my salon here for close to 30 years. Let me explain something to you. Over the 30 years, I've had 6 gazillion blow dryers, whether I bought them, whether they were given to me, or whether it was a prototype. There's a new blow dryer that's created by Barbar. Eco-friendly. Besides the eco-friendly, I have 53 stylists here. I didn't force anybody to use it. What I did is I let them borrow this one so they could feel it and they could use it. From 53 stylists using it, I don't have to tell you, first of all, how much I'm saving on my electric bill. Second of all, I have a blow dryer that's 2,200, the strength. This is 1,000, and it's 70 million times stronger than the previous one. Besides, I like the sleek look. And look, if you want to use top-of-the-line blow dryer, this is the blow dryer to use. Barbar, eco-friendly. Nothing like it on the market. Forget about the other ones. Look, if you don't try it, you're never going to know. So I'm going to tell you what. You better try it. Look, Barbar is a visionary. This is the future. Either you go with it or you get left behind, because this is not going away. Eco-friendly. Forget about, as a business owner, saving an enormous amount of money on your electric bill. Radiation-free. This is the key thing. This is the future. Look, get with the program. Go get your Barbar dryer now. Radiation-free. Look, I'm doing this for my clients, for the future, for the world, and most importantly, my family. Family's the most important. We all know that. Go get yourself the eco-friendly Barbar blow dryer. Fantastic product.
Hi, my name is Scotty. I'm working here at Giuseppe Franco for the last 10 years. Barbar dryers are the best. I do a lot of extensions, Brazilian blowouts. You want a blow dryer that is radiation free. This is excellent. On the extensions, it doesn't blow out the cuticle. It leaves the hair soft, manageable, subtle. It's incredible. It cuts down your time. I know we're busy here in the salon and we'd have hours to blow dry. This is excellent. Cutting down your time, radiation free. We love it.
My name is Rita. I've been a hairdresser in Beverly Hills for 12 years. I love to use Barbar because it is eco-friendly, especially on my clients with extensions, because it does not damage the cuticle of the hair and it blows really hot. So the fact that it is eco-friendly, I love to use it on my clients because I care about my clients and I want my clients to have the best quality. So I love to use this Barbar blow dryer. I love my clients. They mean so much to me. That's why I use radiation-free blow dryers. Love Barbar products.
Hi, my name's Jesse. I've been working here for the past, 25 years. I've been using Barbar dryers for the past 5. Now he's come out with a new one that's eco-friendly, doesn't create radiation for my clients, which I truly adore, because if you saw her, you'd understand it. Now, it's all about the heat and what this thing does. Like I said, I've been using these for the past 5 years, and this one surpasses them all. Have a great day. Thank you.
Barbar dryer? Yes, this is the new eco-friendly Barbar dryer, my favorite. It's radiation proof. I use this on all my clients. Ever since it came up, it's been the best. It's been the best. It slices, it dices, it chops, it spins, it does everything. My name is Alex. I work in Beverly Hills. This is my favorite dryer. I've been using it for about 6 to 7 years. I don't use anything else. It's radiation proof. Most dryers have radiation. Most people don't know that, and I love my clients, and I care about their health. Still love the Bar product. It's the best blow dryer in the world. Eco-friendly, radiation-proof, cost-effective, and it comes from Mr. Green. So stay green.
All right, so my name's Jason Schneidman, and I'm over here at Chris McMillan Salon. Been doing hair for 20 years, and been using Bar blow dryers for the last 9. And they came out with this new Eco Bar dryer, which is radiation free. And as soon as they came out with it, I had to have it. I love the way it works. And it's all about the client. So if it's benefiting the client's hair and health, I'm all about it. And I love how hot they are and how powerful they are. If you have a blow dryer that you're using, you might as well step it up and get something that works really well and is better for the environment and your client. This is my client, Lisa. She's my homie. It's the Bar. Jason Schneidman, I'm a hairstylist for life. So pretty. You are good to go, my dear. Hey.
How you doing? My name's Chase. I work at Chris McMillan Salon in Beverly Hills. I've been doing hair now for about 11 years, and I've used many blow dryers, and I keep finding myself using the Bar blow dryers. This is a newer Bar blow dryer. It's eco-friendly. We live in Los Angeles. We like to be health conscious. We like to be environmentally friendly. This blow dryer is also no radiation. It's one of the most powerful blow dryers I think I've ever used for being so eco-friendly, like Katie here. She drives a Prius. This blow dryer is really, really good. It smooths out the hair really nicely. But it also feels like, you know, a lot of these blow dryers that are really good for, you know, the hair and the environment, they're not really powerful, but I feel like this one can really smooth some hair out. Thick, coarse, curly hair. A lot of my clients have a lot of hair. They like their hair blown out really smooth and pretty. And this blow dryer is great for it. It really holds shape well. This is going to look great in Katie's Prius. For being, for a blow dryer with no radiation that gets as hot as this one gets, I think this is a great blow dryer. And here at Chris McMillan, you know, we are at the forefront of it. And I have to say that for once there's a blow dryer that works. That's also good for the environment, good for the client. I feel like I'm doing something good by using this blow dryer. Kind of like you doing with your Prius. Yeah, no, it is. It's time to make people's lives, you know, change people's lives with their hair and with the environment, and As stylists, we have to do this for the environment and for our clients. Hi, my name's Chase Casero, and I'm at the Chris McMillan Salon in Beverly Hills, and I'm a hairstylist for life.
Hi, my name is Christoph. I've been a hairstylist for 25 years. I'm here at the Warren Jacomi's Hair Salon. I've been using Barbar now for 10 years. The motors are the strongest I've ever used, then it's the hottest. When my clients are looking for something new, they got something now. They have a new eco-friendly Barbar. The best thing about this blow dryer is there's no radiation. It's eco-friendly. It's about one of my favorite blow dryers. The difference between this heat is not coils and wires, it's actual ceramic, which causes it not to have radiation. Apparently it works great on that. I don't know if it's about the radiation, but when it comes to blow drying, this is about the best blow dryer I'm using right now. What's innovative, what's new? This, eco-friendly, something. You know, give me something I can sell to my clients and quality first. You know, 10 years of working with Barbar is something that I don't have the proper blow dryer on me. I'm like, oh my God, forget it. I gotta go down and buy a Barbar. My number one tool has always been the blow dryer. I can curl, I can do everything. Without the heat, without the proper motors in some of these blow dryers, you're just buying yourself a dead weight. With a Barbar, it's not only eco-friendly, but it's also radiation friendly. It uses a ceramic heating element instead of using the typical coils, which cause a radiation effect. I always need a lot of heat. And with the ceramic heating element in the air, it doesn't cool it off 6 inches away from the nozzle. I'm still getting heat way out there. Most of my clients are up to date. Most of my clients don't want to kill themselves, cause themselves anything. They're staying away from the radiation from their phones. Whoever knew it was in their blow dryers. Well, you know what? Barbar took it out. You got to know that the motor's strong and the thrust coming out of this thing is fast and hot. You know, when it comes to all the Barbars, I know the motors last a long time, and I know that the thrust coming out of that thing is what I need to get it hot and smooth, and that's what I do. I'm a hairdresser, that's what I do. I do like this blow dryer. The shape, everything about it is pretty nice. I've been in the best salons now. All I can ever see is Barbar, 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 Barbar. Some of the biggest names use the Barbar. Barbar Eco 8000 Jeep. My name's Christoph Ball. I've been a hairstylist for 25 years. I'm a hairstylist for life. I love Barbar.
I'm celebrity hairstylist Kaya Wright, and I am here at the Warren Jacomi Salon. I've been here for maybe like 4 or 5 years, and you know, I just want to talk a little bit about our friends Barbar and this eco-friendly blow dryer. It's amazing, and you know, I love my clients and I take care of my clients daily, and they come to me for a good look as well as just, you know, great hair, safe environment, the whole thing. So I love this blow dryer, one, because it does the job. It gets hot enough, because you know, with ethnic and textured hair, one thing we need is a dryer that gets hot. So I've kind of moved away from the Solano, and I've moved into this eco-friendly blow dryer, because not only am I taking care of my client's hair, but I'm finally concerned about the environment. I mean, I was never really into it, but now I'm really into the environment. And Barbar really, I mean, he gave us the answer, and it works, and it gets hot enough, and that's the key. So, you know, guys, eco-friendly, that's the way to go. And as long as it gets hot enough, this is it, Barbar. Hey, because we're stylists, and every day we make a difference. So why don't we just start here? We make a difference in our client's life, and why not make a difference in the world? Start here, Barbar, eco, radiation free. I am celebrity hairstylist Kaya Wright, and we're here at the Warren Chacombe Salon, and I am a hairstylist for life.